Hey, Greg Peterson coming to you from the Urban Farm, and this is one of my products with Your Guide to Green. About 15 years ago, I discovered how toxic mattresses are. And so we developed with a friend a vapor barrier mattress wrap. With this mattress wrap, it holds the toxic vapors of your mattress in the mattress, so it's away from your lungs and your skin. So today we're going to show you actually how to put this on a mattress and then what it looks like when it's on the mattress. So this is the way you get it when it arrives. And I'm going to put this over here. Once you pull it out of the bag, and you're just going to unfold it. And for a twin bed, so we're putting it on a twin bed today. For a twin bed, the mattress is going to go in this way. For a double, a queen, and a king, the mattress wrap is actually going to go in this way. So that's how it can be a one-size-fits-all. And then basically what you do is you tuck the extra plastic underneath. So let's go ahead and unwrap one. Why don't you cut it? So you're just going to unwrap it and put it on the mattress. There we go. One twin bed in a Urban Farm Your Guide to Green mattress wrap. So there's one thing left to do. You want to slit it, put a couple of slits down here at the end. That's all explained in the instructions, but it's really important that it breathe a little bit. And you can see the FAQ page on our website for more information about that. So there you go. Thank you for listening.